Good morning, good morning, good morning, Forex fan. What up, YouTube? Forex King coming back at you with another video. So I'm going to get right into it. You see where we at? We got some good stuff going. Decent day today is what? Pretty much the 26th of the eve of Thanksgiving here in the States. And we rocking, we rocking. I know I skipped the intro, but very quickly again, my name is Dre, the Forex King, Phoenix, the Forex King. Either one that you want to choose, you can call me by. But I trade the US 30. I'm scalping, and basically I'm recording videos just because I want to make a note of my own personal journey. So you see what we got right here. I'll pick this view right here real quickly. We got a good trade. We got a good trade. I actually lost my very first trade because I actually got in on this candle here, and I was expected to drop. Now I knew I shouldn't be trading towards the moving averages, but I said I'll take the chance. So it ended up being a losing trade. Once I realized that the trend is actually going up, I got in on this particular trade here. Went up, but then I saw that it was going to pull back, so I got in here. This trade here. I got on this candle here, went up, saw it pull back, got out, then I got back in on this candle, and you can see where we at this point forward. So overall, trade is looking pretty good. I'm just basically looking for where the market's going to stop. I have all my key levels marked out here. On this particular candle, so I actually put I chose to get this chart, and I did the plain one. And I was trying to see where's this market going to slow down, because it started slowing down initially before I started recording, and then I was trying to understand like what's going on, and then I found this level right here. So this is why I put that blue level, because it was actually slowing down at this level initially, and then I put this red level here because it's just kind of common sense, to be honest with you. And then I put these two purple based on the gap. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 levels I'm looking at the market to possibly, if not slow down drastically, completely, maybe even reverse. And then I look for basically when to get out. That's basically what I'm looking to do. So these are the levels I'm looking to get out on, but you don't know what the market can do. The market could possibly decide to go up. See, like I had these blue levels, but that was a little bit further down in the market. And this is where we're at. So overall, we're doing good. This is for those of you who are new to my videos, this is a funded account with Funded Traded Plus. So it's an instant funded account. This is not a challenge account. I don't really do challenges because they waste my time. So I prefer to find prop firms that have instant funded accounts so I can just go make money fast, period. And that's really it right now. The market, it's not really slow. It's just consistent. And I say that because, I mean, once we get to like a certain level, you can see that it gives a little bit of slight rejection or slowdown, then it go up, and then see a slowdown, then it go up again. So I'm just looking for a real concrete candle or some concrete evidence that the move north is over, and then I get out the trade, and it'll be a great way to go into the Thanksgiving holiday. That's really it. I'm excited about what's going on. This was a nice push. I was expecting some really big pushes, but I mean the market just been very, very consistent and intentional with the movements. We're getting on what? It's getting close to 12 noon, so lunchtime is around the corner. So we don't know if they might do some quick push-ups before they slow the market down, or what's going to happen. But overall, we're good. I'll show you what it is. So like so I had 2 losing days. I had yesterday and today. Yesterday I lost $30, right? That was yesterday 25th, and then today, oh yeah, it was a big loss actually. It's 44. So with this particular trade here, and then I had a quick $5 trade earlier today that I won. I told you about that I won. So this trade puts me back in the green. I'll be good for the month, and we just moving. I actually didn't trade all last week at all. I was just busy. I wasn't able to sit down in the charts long enough to scalp, so I literally took all of last week off. this entire week I took off. So it's cool. I mean, it's a little setback. I was really hoping to at least scale this account up to the 10% before the end of November, so that way I can scale it up again. But that's life. That's just the way things move and function. But again, it's all about consistency, and we're doing what we need to do. So all stuff, no fluff. Yeah, we're doing good. I'll probably hold on to maybe one or two more trades and keep it moving. Now, I will say this. I know, obviously, with the industry, you look at the P&L, some people think, man, that's only $68. You have to recognize that most people are making $15, $20, $30 an hour. So, for the time that I've been in this trade, chilling, relaxing, just letting the market do what it's doing, I'm making what some people take 2, 3, 4 hours to do in a matter of minutes. Put in perspective. And once I get this account scaled up, this number is only gonna compound and get right. So for those who are in the journey, who like really brand new, don't let the money fool you. Focus on what's important. Your strategy, understanding how to read the market, understanding levels, and then just staying consistent and disciplined. That's really it. I I know my strategy inside and out, and I'm starting to refine it. I'm gonna get more I'm gonna get more intimate with my strategy, so that way my execution is going to be, without a shadow of a doubt, my goal is to be flawless with my execution. Continue, keep pushing. We have a couple more weeks before we end the year. I want to end this year with incredible momentum. Forget about 2026 and New Year's resolutions. I don't believe in New Year's resolutions. I just believe in execution and getting to where you need to get to. So that's the mindset. That's the mission. End this year strong. End it with momentum going into 2026, and continue to dominate. Really, just that simple. Man, that's it. Just wanted to record this video, let you know that I'm still trading. I know I didn't record it last week, but it's because I couldn't trade last week. But everything's looking good. Everything's looking nice. We're getting some nice movement up. This is a really, really, really strong level. So if we can get past this level, that'll be really good for the trade. Same levels, just different colors. That's it. Might end up being $100 day, maybe. We'll see. But we're in the game. We're in the money. We're doing what we need to do. So that's really it. I'm not going to make this video too long. Just know that I'm here. I'm still trading, still active, still doing what I need to do. The goal is still to scale this account, get it to 10K, and just keep pushing. I'm going to scale this account to $1 million. Believe me. I'm saying it now. I'm going to be the next $1 million funded trader with Funded Trader Plus. Period. So you guys can follow my journey, or you can join me on your own personal journey and go get this money. You understand? So I appreciate you. Matter of fact, I'll hold out till this candle closes, kind of see where it's at, and then I close the video, and we're good to go. Solid. When you guys really lock in, I'll say this. When you really lock in and get good with your strategy, trading gets boring. Trading gets boring fast, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Just because it's just you and the charts and your thoughts. So you have to be really disciplined and intentional with your thoughts. So, but when it gets boring, I think that's when you really got to a point where victory is inevitable. Victory is inevitable. But looking the way this candle is about to close, we'll see what 30, what 60, 45 more seconds ish. See what kind of movement we'll get. See, this is a good spot for me to get out now. That's a great candle. That's a good candle for me to get out. Let's see what we do. I mean, I already know this is a good level anyway, so I could get out. Let's see. I know this is a strong level, so if we can keep pushing up, I'll stay. But if we close below it, or like I'll use this level as my protection to get out. As you see, I don't trade with stop loss to take profit. If I can't watch my chart and watch my trade, I'm not going to trade. Just that simple. I want to get in, get out the market, and be done, and carry on with the rest of my day. Seriously. So this is some good movement. And see, like I said it earlier, a few minutes ago. Usually, when you get to for this particular move, right? For this particular move, once we get to a certain level, there's a little bit of rejection, some slight momentum, slow down the momentum, some slight rejection, but after it just keeps going up. This is great. Okay, so oh, look at this, perfect. All right, so I'll watch this instead. So I'll use this level as my protection. If we continue to push back, and if I can get a closure above this wick, I'll stay in the trade. But if we close below this level, I'll just get out. And I'll probably call it a day, and then get ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow. 2 more minutes. More minutes. It's obvious. Something's here. See? So, I mean, the levels don't necessarily have to be exact. You just need to give you an idea of what to do in the event you get a closure, something that doesn't agree with your overall strategy. And protect your money. At the end of the day, it's about protecting your money. So I'll wait one more minute before I end the video. I said that last time. It would be good. I would really love it to close above, but to close below this level, I might be looking to get out. Yeah. But it closed above my level. That's good. I keep getting a push up. All right. No guarantees going to keep pushing up, but I'm still going to rock with this trade. So I ain't going to keep this video too much longer, but I mean, you guys see live active trading. Can't fabricate this. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't traded yet, man, stay patient, stay disciplined, wait for a good entry for you. If you're in a trade, wherever you are in the trade, or whether you're in this market, the US 30 market, or a different market, be safe, be disciplined, stick to your rules, protect your money, and then that's it. Have a phenomenal weekend if you're in the States. Enjoy Thanksgiving with the holidays with your family. And as I say with all my videos, the markets don't care about you, only you care about you. Forex King out.